1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, look at this paint job. Look at the quarter panel here, hood panel. This is an old oxidized paint job. I'm going to use Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restore Polish. This is a paint cleaner. The reason why we need a paint cleaner is because this paint job is seriously oxidized and dirty. So I'm going to put some on here, okay? You use this like a cleaner. You don't do circles, you go back and forth just like this. So this you can clean in sections at your pace. You can use a polisher if you want, but it's cleaner, not wax, okay? You want to clean the contamination off completely and bring that paint job back. Look how beautiful that's coming out. This is what a lot of people forget. When a paint job gets ugly or dull or hazy, it's dirty, okay? So I'm removing the contamination. Look how beautiful that comes out, okay? And listen to this. That's squeaky clean because this is a paint cleaner and it's not a wax, it's a cleaner. So again, you use this to clean your paint. I always tell people, do it in small sections, controlled sections. Take your time, you don't have to get it all done in one day. If you wanna pace yourself, you can do that. But look, it's not hard to use. You just go back and forth and you clean it. Look how much color and gloss is still there, okay? If your paint job is a newer paint job with a clear coat and it's hazing up and it looks good when it's wet, dries up, gets ugly again, even for 2 seconds, that means your paint job is still in good shape. You want to clean it. There's still a lot of clear on there. And that'll neutralize and stop any erosion or peeling or delamination, whatever they call it. You put this on, this cleans, okay? Now we are going to put a wax on here to protect it, but it's not a regular wax. Look how beautiful that looks. I mean, that's a beautiful. Again, squeaky clean. Look at that. I'm going to do a little bit more. Can't help it. It's fun polishing, man. I mean, wow, look how beautiful that's coming out. So again, all I'm doing is cleaning, not waxing. Look how beautiful that is. Okay? And this is permanent. The stuff that's on the paint job is embedded contaminants. That's why it's hazy. It's got buildup. Look how beautiful that's coming out. It's getting nice, huh? Yeah. Okay, watch this. Put some more on. Okay, again, it's a paint cleaner, not a wax. Look at that. Now I like using a terry cloth bath towel for the application, and I use a microfiber towel for the removal. Again, what I did here, I did not wax it. It's clean. Okay, listen to this. This paint right here, do a close-up so they can listen to this. This is dirty, contaminated paint. Listen. Ooh, hot. If your paint job sounds like that, feels rough to the touch, it needs to be clean. When it's clean, listen to this. You don't hear nothing because the paint job is 100% clean. Now, after you clean that paint, you bring it back, you want to protect that finish. It'll take 5-10 years for it to get like that again because we cleaned it, we didn't wax it. But this is called Lukat Easy Sealer Wax, okay? This is a hybrid wax designed to protect your paint. It's Carnauba and polymers and stuff like that. It's really good. It's a really good blend. Use this to protect the shine. Now remember, technically we're not detailing because we're not putting a shine on. All we're doing is cleaning the paint. The shine's already there. It's just buried. Most of the time you'll notice that the hood, roof, and trunk look nasty, but the sides look good. Well, just as good as the sides look is how good the top looks when it's cleaned up. Now, if it's peeling and delaminating and stuff, I got videos where you can watch it. That's actually destroyed paint, but you can still clean them up and bring them back to a point. Now, when you use the sealer wax, the longer you leave it on, the better. If you leave it on there for about 15 minutes, it actually leaves a really nice, tough, glossy shell on your paint job. Now, for the sake of time, it's already dry because it's hot, but look how beautiful it comes out. Okay? Go and pull back so they can see the contrast. So, you use this one here to clean the paint, the Lukat Fix It cleaner, and then the Lukat sealer wax seals it and protects it. Now, here's where you guys gotta understand, this is not detailing. Now you can go buy a really nice fancy wax. Those ceramic products, the synthetic products, the you know, all that stuff, and it'll work because this paint is smooth and glossy again. You never want to wax a dirty paint job because you're going to mask and trap the dirty stuff that's eroding your paint. Fix it with this. You only have to use this once every 5 or 10 years, if at all. The cleaner removes the buildup, the wax seals it. Guys, check us out at lukatdetail.com and join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Please like and subscribe. Get the word out. You don't have to be driving around with an ugly paint job. Later, guys.